Alright, so here we are. We got our new cam chain tensioner in. It's protruded a little bit. I mean, almost to the end of what VW would say is an acceptable tolerance for the protrusion. We got our timing cover with a new seal installed. Here's the old seal here. Now this one didn't leak, but I figured it's 10 bucks. I'm in there. Might as well change it. Here's the old cam chain tensioner. And so part of what would happen is this little ring will pop loose and then the plunger won't stay protruded. Now it's showing more teeth. Since I pulled it out, it protruded out all the way. Apparently the limit for Volkswagen is 7 teeth, they say. Then you need to change your chain. I think we had 4 or 5 teeth showing, so we still had a bit to go, but certainly not as nice as if only 2 or 3 teeth were showing. But right now there's, I think, 10 teeth showing, but I'll show you an example of the problem with this thing. Look, I can just push it in, and now there's, I don't know, 2, 4, 6 or 7 teeth showing. But that's part of the issue with this, is when it loses oil pressure or the proper oil. You know, this is no good. If it needed to protrude to what is the permitted 7 teeth, which it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's at 7, but it should go to 9 and still provide resistance, which is about right there. But it's not. It's allowing me to push it in. So that's definitely one issue with it, is it's not maintaining its stability. And then here again, this is the VIN number for this car. Whiskey Victor Whiskey Bravo Alpha 71 Foxtrot 09 Victor 020105. This is my personal vehicle. I'd show you that the miles are at about 93,000, but I've got the battery disconnected right now just for the sake of safety with regard to this thing having a remote starter on it. And you know, I did pull a couple electrical connections and just want to make sure, Lord willing, this thing gets back together okay and runs good. There's a little bit of oil leak right there, and it was coming out of the dipstick. Comes in down here, and so I'm going to change this O-ring on the dipstick to prevent that. I mean, while I'm in here, might as well make it good. But hopefully it's all going to go back together in the next few hours. And I'll be able to rest easy that I'm not going to grenade the motor anytime soon.